Okay, so if you want to replace a sentence, here's how you can do it. So, one may employ one or the other with complete indifference, postulating no discrepancy. I kind of mispronounced that word right there. So, I can trim this down. And then I have a replacement down here. And if I try and drag it, it won't fit up there. What I can do is press Shift K. I'll just drag these out of the way. And now there will be enough room. Now I can do the same thing again, press Shift K and drag them back. Difference. Postulating no discrepancy between them. So with Control Alt K, it's basically the same thing. You just do that, and then Shift K, and you drag this, and then just dragging that up, and then Shift K again to drag these back into place.